Do you prefer answering phone calls with a tap instead of a swipe? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you choose how you answer incoming calls. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Answering and Ending Calls. Here, tap Gesture to answer calls. You have two options. The first is swipe. With this option, you answer a call by swiping the answer button. This is the default option and help reduce accidental answer if you touch the screen by mistake. The second option is tap. With this option, you simply tap the answer button to answer a call. This can be more convenient if you want to answer calls as quickly as possible, or if swipe gestures are difficult to perform. For this example, let's choose tap. The next time you receive a call, simply tap the answer button instead of swiping it. You can return to this setting anytime if you like to switch back. And that's how you change the gesture to answer calls on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.